Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Wells Fargo taking forever to load or just spinning every time you open it? Here are 4 quick fixes from your iPhone that makes it load fast. No login required. First, go to your settings app and then tap on the airplane mode toggle and toggle it on. Then wait for about 15 seconds, then tap on it again to turn it back off. This resets your iPhone's entire network connection from scratch and forces a fresh and clean signal. This alone fixes loading in most cases. If it's still slow after that, go to your settings again and then scroll down to find Wells Fargo or just search for it. Then tap on it and look for background app refresh. Toggle it on if it's off. Without this, Wells Fargo cannot preload any data and always starts completely fresh, which makes every open feel slow. Also, in the setting itself, go to General, then go to iPhone Storage and check the storage bar at the top. If storage is nearly full, apps like Wells Fargo run more slowly. Tap offload app and on any apps you haven't used recently to free up space quickly. So, all you've gotta do is turn airplane mode on and off to reset network, turn on background app refresh for Wells Fargo, free up storage, Wells Fargo